What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this IMAXTOP wireless lavalier microphone. Alright, this is a mini microphone. These are the microphones that's usually trendy. You see people do like videos and they have the mic real close to their mouth and stuff like that. This is commonly used on TikTok, Instagram, and all the shorts that y'all see people do little quick talks on. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, now the first thing that pops up that is so attractive is this case. I actually like it. It looks like it's gift wrapped. You know how it got the line there. So that's pretty cool. You open it up and wow, this is very small, and as soon as you lift it up, it's already in pairing mode. All right, right here you have the charger, and it looked like you got a good 8 inches. It naturally hooks onto an Apple, but if you don't have an Apple, you can use your Android. Click it, snaps. Okay, you guys, so as much as I like doing the basement test, I like doing the outside test more. So the rain has stopped, and now we can test this to its full potential. Now, once again, it says blue should be regular, so we have it on blue, and it says green should be noise cancellation on. Right now I have it on green. All right, now I'm gonna turn it on blue. All right, let's go ahead and do the distance test. Right now, y'all know this is about 70-foot test that I'm gonna do. I'm going to go over here and chill with the birds, and yeah, walking, going, checking it out, and looking at the garden. Everything looks very well. Squirrels jumping around, and it looks like I can do a little bit more cleaning up on the garden. All right, now I am going to turn it on green, which should be noise cancellation. So now I have it on green, and y'all can let me know what y'all think. Yeah, trying to finalize everything out here. Still have this weird crabgrass or whatever this stuff is right here. I might just go ahead and dig this stuff up. Or I might do another weed stop. I kind of don't want to do that because I want to go ahead and overseed, but that's blah, blah, blah. For the people that landed on here, probably don't really care about overseeding. Y'all just care about the microphone. So anyways, I'm just talking to y'all to give y'all something to listen to while I am doing this test. So right now I'm on green, and I'm going back to blue, which should be regular mode, and that will be it. Let me listen to the audio and then we'll finalize. All right, you guys, I am going to finalize the review of these lavalier mics. That is for Android and Apple, okay? Android and iOS, however you want to say it. If you're going low budget, you guys, these are pretty good. The low budget lavalier mics actually been doing pretty good. Now, once again, you're not going to get $500 lavalier quality sound, all right? You're looking for budget, and you're going to get what you pay for, period. That's just is what it is. Now, for the price, this is not bad sound. I know somebody sent a comment on one of these lavalier mics, and they said, can you do, it sounds like it's too much distortion. For the most part, you can't change the volume up and down when it comes to the lavalier mics. I know it's a weird thing. I know on some high-end lavalier mics you can do sound adjustments and stuff like that, but I read through the instructions on most of my budget lavalier mics, and you can't do that with those. So, and another thing is with the other lavalier mic that's just like these, somebody asked me, is it compatible with Android? Now, this one came with this adapter right here. So if you have this adapter, I believe it may work, but since we have the adapter, I will test it on the other lavalier mic. So that way, I can answer y'all questions for that. Can you use that lavalier mic on an Android, or can you use it on Apple? And we could get all those questions and answers out the way. Other than that, I do like these mics. So that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next review.